What is going on, everybody? Tech enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Nubia Red Magic 3 against the Xiaomi Mi 9. Both of the phones have the Snapdragon 855 CPU, 8GB of RAM versus 6, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Red Magic 3 finished first, and overall it scored a lot higher. Interestingly, the Mi 9 scored higher for the CPU, but the Red Magic 3 scored higher for the GPU, the UX and the memory. So that wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up. I am planning to do a camera comparison between the Red Magic 3 and the OnePlus 7 Pro, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching and I will catch up with you in the next video.